Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can manage user roles in your Woocommerce store. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins and then Add New. Now, in the search bar, type User Role Editor. Install and activate the plugin called User Role Editor. It's one of the most popular tools to manage roles and permissions in Woocommerce. Once it's activated, go to Users, then User Role Editor. Here, you'll see a list of all available roles like Administrator, Shop Manager, Customer, and Subscriber. If you want to edit a role, select it from the drop-down menu. You can then check or uncheck different capabilities, for example. You can allow or restrict access to orders, products, or reports. After making changes, click on Update to save them. If you want to create a new role, just click Add Role, give it a name, and choose an existing role to copy permissions from. This is perfect if you want to create a special role like Inventory Manager or Order Assistant with limited access. And if you go to Users, then All Users, you can assign any of these roles to your existing users. Just click Edit and change their role from the dropdown. And that's it. Now you know how to manage, edit, and create custom user roles in your Woocommerce store to control who can access what. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.